Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view a lesson from a student's perspective. This is great to ensure that you are always one step ahead of your students and you know exactly what the platform looks like from their point of view.
From the dashboard, click on the Content tab at the top of the screen. Find the lesson you are looking for by either navigating through the folders or by using the search bar in your chosen subject area. Preview this lesson by clicking the Preview button. At the top of your screen, click on the three dots, then View as Student. This will take you to the Student Zone. This allows you to choose the subjects that you, as a student, would like to explore independently. After subject selection, you will automatically be taken to the lesson overview. Click Start to begin navigating your way through the lesson. You will see a seconds remaining on the Continue button and a green box beside the information slides indicating a timer. Your students are required to stay on each information slide for 3 seconds before they can move on, unless you disable this feature when setting up your task. On the top right of the lesson are 3 blue buttons. The face icon is our text-to-speech reader. It will read aloud all of the text within the page, including questions and possible answers. This is a fantastic feature for students who may have reading difficulties. This feature is not within our languages folders, however all new language introduced within these lessons will have an individual sound recording to ensure correct pronunciation. Below is the calculator feature available in our maths lessons. You can't disable this feature when assigning a task, however you can choose to disable this feature for an assessment. At the bottom is our drawing pad, which turns any slide into a fully annotatable piece of work. Students can use this to add notes, diagrams, or drawings to assist them with their learning. Students can see at the top right of the screen how far they are through each section, and on the bottom left of the screen how far they are through the entire lesson. Students are able to move between slides as they please, including skipping forward and going back. When students skip a slide, this will be visible to you in the Insights tab after lesson completion. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see how this lesson has been structured. Yellow information slides appear at the start and are placed throughout the lesson to ensure that students are scaffolded and supported to achieve higher learning potential. The purple and target circles indicate short answer questions that are automatically marked by our system. When students answer one of these questions wrong, it will indicate to the student what the correct answer is, give them an explanation, and the question will appear later to ensure that the students are trying their best to master new learning. The last type of slide is our extended response questions that can be self-marked against a model answer by your students and then manually marked by you as the teacher. Students input their answer and are then given an example model answer and an explanation. Students can choose to improve their answer and resubmit, or give it a star rating and click Got It. This will then pass on to you to give your final mark. Lastly, if you have enabled this when setting up your task, students are able to play Dash. Dash is a gamified, quick-fire way for your students to consolidate the learning that they have just completed in their SMART lesson. At the top, students can also see a selection of their peers either locally or globally who were also assigned this task. They can see how many points they have and send them a cheer. Once again, this is a feature that can be disabled when setting up the task. Students can save and exit the lesson at any point by clicking here or here.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to view a lesson as a student. If any of your students are struggling, remember to reach out to a teacher consultant at EP. We're here to help.